Imagine living in a world where the color of your skin determined where you could eat, where you could sit, and what kind of opportunities you had in life. That was the reality for millions of Black Americans before the Civil Rights Movement. But change was coming, and it started with ordinary people who refused to accept injustice. One of those people was Rosa Parks. In 1955, she was arrested for refusing to give up her seat on a segregated bus in Montgomery, Alabama. Her simple act of defiance sparked the Montgomery bus boycott, a movement that lasted over a year and led to the Supreme Court ruling that segregation on public buses was unconstitutional. Then, in 1963, Martin Luther King Jr. stood before thousands in Washington, D.C., and delivered one of the most powerful speeches in history. "I have a dream." His words gave hope to millions, calling for an America where people would be judged not by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. But the fight for equality wasn't easy. Protesters faced violent attacks, police brutality, and even assassinations. Yet, they marched on. The Freedom Riders traveled on buses through the South to challenge segregation. College students staged sit-ins at segregated lunch counters, refusing to leave until they were served. Finally, in 1964, after years of struggle, the Civil Rights Act was passed, banning segregation in public places and discrimination in employment. A year later, the Voting Rights Act ensured that Black Americans could freely exercise their right to vote, without barriers designed to silence them. The Civil Rights Movement changed America forever, but the fight for equality didn't end there. Today, its legacy continues to inspire new generations to stand up against injustice. The question remains, how far have we come, and how much further do we still need to go?